Hello everyone, my name is Alexandra and welcome to Creative 404. Today we're going to do another unboxing of an LOL doll. And I seem to have lost my favorite pair of... Nope, there you are. X-Acto Knife. I am really enjoying these LOL dolls. The packaging still leaves much to imagination. I do think when it comes to kids, it's probably going to be best to just show at least the naked doll and then let the clothing be the surprise. Because when it's on the shelf, you don't know it's a doll until you've looked. And I've looked. When it comes to the doll, I've looked online, so I kind of know what the doll looks like. It does kind of ruin the surprise, but it is super fun, and this is how she looks. This is her illustration. This is some nice packaging. This one doesn't have the little pull me thing, so I wonder how she opens up. Oh my goodness, she spins. Isn't that funny? Ah, that's cute. So now what? How do I open you? Oh, pull here, tire ice. Okay, so it says pull here. Ta-da! How cute! Her little dressing room. Oh, and she has some long johns. Let's pull her out of the dressing room. I do love how this packaging is. It is one of the easiest packaging to unbox, if I have to say so myself. Oh, she's pretty. I love the little stars on her cheeks. I think that's a cute touch. The glitter, it needs a little bit more glitter on the lips. They're a little bit sparse. But I find that to be the case with a lot of these LOL dolls, is that they just don't have enough glitter on their lips. I love her. Oh my god. I love these little socks. They're so adorable. I'm really excited I found her in the store. She's like 60 bucks on Amazon right now, and I found her in stores for only 25. So I am really excited. I found her in Target and I was like, yes, give it to her, give me her. Because I was looking at her for a while now. That and the Bon Bon family, because those, between this and the Sweets doll, I am really excited about them. Let me bring out my other girls. So here's some of my other LOL girls. I have DJ, I have Baby. This is 24K DJ. This is Baby Spice or Spice Baby. And then I have Sweets. Sweets was my very first one. And when I bought Sweets, I also wanted this girl, which was, what is her name? Icy Girl. She's Icy Girl. I love the mint hair. Oh, and it's so soft. I love it. And it's fluffy. Ah, she's so cool. I love the fact that these... Oh my god, I gotta fly. It's going to bother me in every single of these videos. I am really excited that these girls, these are all colored girls. They're varied skin of dark tones. They're not all these very pale white girls. I am really excited. The ones that I enjoy the most happen to be the ones that are darker skin. They are just really cute, really adorable. I am glad that there's more variety in skin tones when it comes to dolls nowadays. I love the fact that she comes with this white one. And here is the thing. They keep some of this stuff on the bottom. She also has a chair. So let's put her in the stand while we unbox the rest of her toys. I love her little outfit for her PJs, like her little long johns, her knee-high socks. I think that is adorable. There's another section here, and I wonder how I open it. Is it like that? Cool. The packaging is so cute. I enjoy good packaging and good illustrations. See, and it comes right out. I love the fact they didn't glue it all the way in. I guess if this was more displayed, like if they left this part here, if they had left this part clear so that you can actually see her and she's covered partially, I think that would be really cool. And then the surprise is like her long johns and all the other stuff that comes in it. But yeah, let's see. Hey girl. So this one comes with a little LOL doll. I'm not a super big fan of the little chibis, but they do remind me a little bit of like the modern day Polly Pockets. Oh my god, I'm gonna make a lot of noise. Yes, they do remind me like of modern day Polly Pockets, except they're bigger. They have all of these cute little clothes that come on them. They have cute little shoes, and they remind me a lot of Polly Pocket. I know it's for you, but I like her better. I'm sorry. Her little mini-me. They usually stand up by themselves, but there we go. Okay. We have a shoe box for her shoes, which is always super exciting to me. A little hat box. And clothing. I love these packaging, even though they still remind me of feminine hygiene packaging, like the discreet, no crinkle bags. We're gonna start with the shoes. What shoes does she have? She has these iridescent pink boots that are really cute. Okay. Now what does she have in her hat box? Ah! She has a pair of glasses and a little windbreaker hat with little ears. Oh my god, that's adorable. Oh, and she has a hidden necklace. Ah! Fuzzy, fuzzy. How does the hat go on your head? Does it go like this? Is it upside down? I don't know how these hats go. Oh, yeah, it is like this. So this goes in like this. And then the ears go over the ears. All right. I'm trying to be quick because my camera is starting to die. I've been doing a lot of unboxings today because I have zero impulse control. Ah! The little windbreaker jacket. It's adorable. It's like, oh, cool. And it has like this little hinge thing that closes. How fun. It's a working buckle. And it has like, it's rubbery or elastic. Okay, what did she get for pants? Matching pants for the windbreaker jacket. Yay! Look at the little zipper. Isn't that a nice detail? Oh, I love this. This will definitely keep her warm during the winter. All right, let's put you in your clothes. I love the little knee highs. Oh, this one came broken. There's a little rip on the side of her pants. I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm a little sad about the rip. Oh well. These things happen, and some little slip stitches in that would clean it right up. All right. Her nails are painted two different colors. One's pink and one's peach. I know her hands come off, but she has like these little mittens on them. And so I'm trying to get them into this jacket with the mittens on her hands. These dolls are so small. They're small. They're small like me. Getting her into here is actually really difficult, and her hair just keeps getting all over the place. Here we go. I think I see a hand. Oh my God, I see a hand. This is one of the most difficult jackets to get them in. There we go. Let's try to find your other hand somewhere in here. You are never getting out of this outfit, girl. This is forever on you once I put it on you because it is difficult. Very difficult. Oh my God. After I fix the tear that came in your pants, you are never getting out of here again. Okay, got your other hand out. There we go. Put on your necklace? Yes. You didn't come with earrings. I'm surprised, but then you got earmuffs on. How does the earmuffs go on your head? You got these big ponytails, but you can't. How do you put the headband on your head? Do you just move your hair back? I'm just gonna balance it on your hair because it's not going on very well. I do wish the boots were, instead of like iridescent pink, I wish they were black. I think it would look a little bit nicer with this outfit that she has going. I think the iridescent pink is just a little too much. Or at least maybe a hot pink to match the hot pink. It's just too pastel for her outfit. Okay. Let's get these beautiful pants over your outfit. Get your glasses on. Ooh, nice. Those fit nicely. And balance your hair. Ooh. Okay, here we go. That hat does not like to stay on, does it, girl? There we go. Rock and roll. Ta-da! And that is the Icy Girl. I think she's very pretty. I love her outfit. I love the colors they chose. And I think she's pretty awesome. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like. If you have any comments, put it in the comments section down below. I'm always reading the comments and replying, so feel free to add a comment. And if you like this video and you want to see more, feel free to add a subscribe. We really appreciate it. Right, girl? Yeah. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye now.